All right, what do we got, Patrick?
Well, you know, since Al showed up with his brother's old crawler, we started looking into crawlers and had an interesting idea to try something a little bit different. I stumbled across the Redcats, and they have a Gen 9, which is a scale scout with a 2-speed trans, and I wanted to go look at them. So we went to the hobby shop, just kind of, you know, check them out, see.
Shout out Leisure Hours
see
Hobbies.
what they look like, and they sold me on it. Sold me on it really quick.
He said you want to swing by Leisure Hours and just at least take a look at the trucks they got and just see what's there. You know, look at the options, and then, you know, 10 minutes later we were leaving with a truck and.
Yep.
Whoops.
Well, here it is. Let's go ahead and whip this baby out and see what we've got. Oh,
You
yeah.
see that? Let's see.
A whole list of
Here's the box
stuff.
art if you're interested. Oh, it's got bead locks. Are they real? It might be. It looks like they got the hardware for them, and you can add LED lights to the cluster and stuff. Portal axles. He got. Well, that's a surprise. What color did he get? Oh no, it's spoiled.
Oh no.
So in case you're interested in the box art.
So we got
All right.
stickers,
Yeah.
some scale accessories,
Mirrors, windshield wipers it looks like.
body post if you opt for a different body.
Oh, okay, yeah. A nice little sticker pack and the user manual. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look, they got little state stickers to put on your windows and stuff. That's cool. I like that.
Shoot, I might actually have to use that.
Yeah, it's neat. Huh.
Well, they have a little video of getting to know your 2-speed trans.
Wow. Do you know your tranny?
Check out that rotor.
Oh, it's got. Is it a screen or is it a? It is a screen. Okay.
I don't know.
Wait, it's not a screen.
Is it just a lid?
Yeah. How do you?
You have to watch the video.
Yeah, we'll figure that out because you can see some switches in there that I want to look at, but you push the button and slide back. Ah, there you go. Okay, so we got
switches and whatnot.
okay.
All right,
Interesting.
ready for the big reveal?
Oh wait, hold on. The little blue caliper.
That's not suggesting anything.
What do we got here? Oh no. Cardboard.
It's cardboard.
Do we need scissors?
No.
Hi, Otis. Oh. Yeah, that blue is good. That's a good blue.
It is misleading in the images. It looks so much better in person.
The seats. What kind of Barbie dolls or GI Joes you gonna put in there? Wow. All right. What do we need? Some. You got your handy dandy, always in your pocket knife. Yeah, it's cool. The body is nothing crazy, but it's good. Like for a Redcat body, it's neat. The interior is cool.
I mean, it is licensed,
Yeah.
so at least
Yeah.
we got something.
Yeah. No, I like it. It's better than a lot of other crawlers we've seen. Ta-da!
Oh,
Yeah, that's good. Did the UDR drop? Hey, honestly, I was expecting a lot more. Damn, so are the clips on the bottom?
it's got rotational clips,
Oh.
which I don't know.
Oh. Yeah. The corners.
Oh, yeah. You right? It's just 2 in the front. So then, it's got the pivot.
Oh, it's pivot. Okay. That's sick. Huh. Yeah, so it is Dean's. Okay.
Sorry, we were wondering what kind of battery connector it would be.
Yeah, it's got a lot of shock mounting options. That's nice. So it's a brushed motor, 2 or 3S capable, a hex fly unit. Don't know anything about them. It's got adjustable shocks.
From Hobby Wing.
Oh, okay, interesting. So let's see what else we got. We got portal axles, which is cool. We need to see that and see let's see that compared to other stuff. Like our other crawler options. Metal links, which is nice. Yeah, the fender liners will be nice for in the mud and stuff. It looks nicely built. Like, it doesn't look like there's a ton of stuff that's gonna need beefing up off the rip.
Probably not the best tires for
they're soft though. That's nice. I mean, they're gonna be better than my 8-year-old junk.
Maybe not.
This beefy frame. It seems smooth. Like, honestly, like, the build quality is
Pretty good. Like these.
good. We'll see how it holds up. But I mean, everything's made in China, so that's not a important.
Hey, it passed QC.
That's all that matters, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's. And it's got pretty good height bumpers that aren't super intrusive. For like approach angle, that's not bad. Like, the rear might sit a little low, but the front should be way out of your way. Wait.
I mean, we could also
Yeah, this is the.
go up.
Yeah, you can raise it too, but. Interesting. And then my battery mount's nice and low there, which is neat. I wonder what. Oh, is that? Oh, it just hooks on there. Oh, that's nice. So it's not like it's a. Okay.
This is for other body mounts, I think.
Oh. They don't mount here?
You know what? I actually don't know.
Great. Well, when that time comes,
determined.
we will find out. But yeah, honestly, looks nice. We're gonna get to test it out very soon, so look forward to that. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice comparison. It's got a 2-speed trans, which will be nice for when we're doing like trails and stuff, because then you can just pop it in a second if we're just cruising around. And I don't know, it'll be nice. I really like the wheel liners. That's gonna be a big help.
It's actually pretty pretty.
Yeah, honestly.
It's got a lot of visually appealing stuff on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, fingers crossed.
So
Hoping
we'll
the
see.
Redcat holds up.
Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. I mean, it looks like it's got metal geared portals, and I don't know about the trans gears.
It's got all the stuff you
Yeah,
want.
heavy duty Mod 1 gears. I don't know if they're metal or not, but lockable silver clutch. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. But yeah, so this is gonna be a new addition to the channel. I picked up a first generation ancient axial SCX10 trail honcho that I got from my brother. That's like 8 years old. So that thing's we'll see what happens with that. It's gonna be an old guy, but we're gonna try and make it work for now.
Good guy.
And some other people on the channel may be getting some soon too. So
stick around and encourage them to get them sooner rather than later.
Yeah.
If they were going to.
I mean, maybe, who knows?
Maybe.
But yeah, so it looks pretty nice. I'm stoked on the quality, and we'll see what happens.